What is trending these days after Corona? It's Dalgona. But today we are not going to make the coffee. We are going to make a new and special dish. It is known as the Dalgona Club Sandwich. Stick out till the end to find out what is this Dalgona. Keep watching. Now let us start by making the Dalgona coffee mix. I've taken 2 spoons of instant coffee and 3 spoons of powdered sugar and little water. Now what we have to do is mix the ingredients. So put the coffee inside the sugar and mix it well. Now we have to add the required water. Add the water little by little and keep mixing until you get a mixture and a soft light one. We have to keep mixing till we get a light and smooth mixture. About 5 to 7 minutes. I'm going to take the help of my mother to mix it. Now we can see that the color is changing and it is even smoother and thicker. So the coffee is working now. Wow! You can see that it's very light, thick and the color has changed. It's looking very awesome. Now let us make the club sandwich. I have taken 3 slices of bread. So take the first slice and add the coffee. As the coffee is going to taste bitter, I am adding some jam to make it taste delicious. Now I am going to place the second slice on it. Now for some jam. Let us spread the jam evenly on the second slice. Our club sandwich is almost ready. I just need to add the third slice to complete it. Press it nicely. Our club sandwich is ready. Now let us cut it to show the full color. Ask your parents to cut it as the knife may be harmful. Now let us see the full color. Our yum sandwich is ready. Now I'm going to taste it. It's very good and delicious. You can also try it, and adding jam is better for the coffee because it's very bitter. Now, as we have made so many things, it's very easy to make the Dalgona coffee. So, let's make it. For that, I have taken a glass of milk. You can use hot or cold milk. Now I have taken hot milk because I don't like cold milk. If you like cold milk, you can also use cold milk. Now, little by little, put the coffee. You can see that how nicely it's floating. Wow! Our Dalgona coffee is ready. You can see that there are bubbles on the coffee. I'm going to taste. South Korea and India, but it is very popular around the world. If you like this video, comment, subscribe, share. Don't forget to click the bell for notifications and try the recipe at home.